In a significant show of support, the Latvian government has authorized the transfer of 42 locally produced Patria 6x6 armored personnel carriers, APCs, to the Ukrainian armed forces, alongside munitions, spare parts, and other classified military assets. This move is part of Latvia's broader pledge to dedicate 0.25% of its GDP in both 2025 and 2026 to bolster Ukraine's defense capacity. Latvian Defense Minister Andris Spruds confirmed that the first APCs will be dispatched shortly, accompanied by comprehensive training programs for Ukrainian personnel. The package, although not fully disclosed, is expected to significantly enhance Ukraine's frontline capabilities. Ukrainian Deputy Defense Minister Valery Churkin visited Latvia in early July 2025 to discuss the delivery and future defense cooperation. Churkin met with Latvian officials and defense sector stakeholders, expressing gratitude for Latvia's steadfast military and political backing. He underscored the tactical advantage provided by the Patria vehicles and hinted at deeper collaboration in defense manufacturing. These vehicles are being sourced from Latvia's domestic production line, located in Valmiera, which opened in May 2024. The facility is managed by Defense Partnership Latvia, a joint venture between Finnish company Patria and Latvian firm Unitruck. Latvia's original agreement, signed in 2021, called for the acquisition of 200 Patria 6x6 units under the Multinational Common Armored Vehicle System (CAVS) program. In late 2024, Latvia expanded the deal to include 56 command and control variants, while reassuring that aid to Ukraine will not impact its own procurement. The Valmiera site is heavily integrated with local industry. Key subcontractor EMJ Metals SIA, responsible for manufacturing armored hulls, has invested over €4 million into its facilities, underscoring the project's importance to Latvia's defense sector. The Patria 6x6 is a modern, modular APC derived from the AMVXP and earlier XA series vehicles. Launched in 2018 by Finnish defense manufacturer Patria, the vehicle measures 7.5 meters in length and weighs up to 24 tons. It can carry a crew of up to 3 and 10 troops. A powerful Scania diesel engine paired with a 7-speed ZF automatic gearbox enables speeds over 100 km per hour and a range exceeding 700 km. It also features strong off-road and water-fording capabilities, making it suitable for various terrains. Protection is built to NATO STANAG 4569 standards, with modular armor kits offering scalable resistance levels. The base model defends against small arms fire and mine blasts, while upgraded variants can withstand more severe threats. The 6x6 comes with either coil spring or hydropneumatic suspension and includes features like run-flat tires and central tire pressure control. Weapon configurations vary, from standard machine guns to 30mm cannons or turreted mortar systems like the Patria Nemo. The flexible interior allows the vehicle to serve in troop transport, reconnaissance, medevac, or command roles. Its life cycle exceeds 30 years, and it's in active use or on order across Europe, including Finland, Germany, Sweden, and now Ukraine. The CAVS initiative began in 2020 with Finland, Latvia, and Estonia, though Estonia later exited the program. Sweden and Germany joined later, using the Patria 6x6 to replace outdated APC fleets. Over 750 vehicles have been ordered so far, with more than 200 delivered. To support long-term operations, Latvia, Finland, and Patria signed a Life Cycle Management (LCM) agreement in August 2024, establishing a framework for ongoing maintenance, upgrades, and logistics. This pact uses Patria's Optimi service model, which tailors support based on user needs and maximizes fleet readiness. The Ukrainian delegation's recent trip also focused on industrial cooperation, including technology sharing and joint production opportunities. While specific quantities of additional equipment were not made public, the delivery of 42 Latvian-built Patria APCs marks a substantial upgrade for Ukraine's ground forces, and a critical opportunity for Latvia to validate its own defense exports under real combat conditions.